Morning, my beautiful friends. And how are we today? Today, I'm going to be doing something that I haven't done in a very, very long time. I used to do a box called Love with Food, and they were a bunch of healthy snacks. And I really missed them. So I decided to go and get it again. This time I decided to go with the deluxe box. So without further ado, let's get into it. So this is the box right here. And like I said, you get a lot of healthy snacks in this box. Doing good, one snack at a time. Your snacks donate meals to families in need, thanks to our partnership with Feeding America. That is right here. It says, we believe every body deserves to stay nourished. Since 2015, we've partnered with Feeding America to donate meals to families in need with every delivery. We've donated over 17 million meals and counting. Craving free snacks? Share your experience and earn points for every review you give. You're helping families in need. One box delivered equals one meal donated to Feeding America. We care about your health and safety. So it also says, if you have a food allergy or dietary preference, please carefully review all ingredients, labels before consuming to ensure items are safe and suitable for your enjoyment. So, like I said, I used to get this box before, and I think I used to get the smaller box, and I think it was $9.99 for it, and I think this one, I'm not 100% off the top of my head, but I will have the price listed above, or because I don't have my iPad with me to check the price, but it will be here or here, because I never know which side it is here, but I will have the price on how much it is for, I'll put for what it is for the regular box and the deluxe box, and if they have a bigger one, I'll definitely put it up there. So anyway, we have a lot of snacks here. I'm not going to try any of them, only because I like to bring these to work. So I'm just going to show you what they have in here, and there's quite a bit. So the first thing, and I have had quite a few of these, so I can tell you if they're good or not. Like, for instance, this one, it is delicious crunchy corn, love corn, and this one is cheesy, vegan flavored. P.S. Find love in the little things. So this one is corn, and it's crunchy corn. It's got sunflower oil and seasoning. And this only has 90 calories. That's pretty good. Let's see. You know, I'm going to put the box on my lap so I can just throw it to the side. The next thing in here is the rice bar, dark chocolate. It is gluten-free, brown rice, and non-GMO, and it's vegan, and it's only 92 calories per bar, and it's crispy puffed rice bar. Ooh, that sounds so yummy. I'm not that picky, so I like everything. Usually everything that they send. I've had these before. These are Belgian Boy chocolate chip mini cookie stash. The packaging is cute. This one is 130 calories for this. I got 2 of these ZZ's strawberry grams, and this is whole grain, and this is cute packaging also. And these are 120 calories. Ooh. These are really cute, and like I said, I got 2 of these. I got 1 of these natural cut Old Wisconsin turkey snack sticks. This is like a, one of those sticks here. I can't tell you how many calories because it's not on here, but that's okay. Got that. I got 2 of these Bakery on Main whole grain Bake Shop Bliss Monster cookie flavor decadent granola, dark chocolate, nut sprinkles, 166 of whole grains per serving. So, and this whole thing is 140 calories. So, like I said, I got 2 of these. I also received premium granola bars, perfect granola, maple pecan date, and this is 190 calories. That sounds absolutely amazing. I love anything maple. The next thing, I've always wanted to try this, and these are the Kind bars. This one is a thin. Its number 1 ingredient is almonds, 4 grams of sugar, gluten-free, no genetically engineered ingredients. This one is dark chocolate, almond, and sea salt, and it's 90 calories. So this is a thin one. The next thing in here is You Love Fruit, Peel and Eat Fruit Leather, Super Berry, a super food power pack with organic acai, goji, and pomegranate. And this one is 45 calories. I wonder if it's going to be like one of those like fruit roll-up type things. So one of those. And then this one is Perfection Snack Mix, a gluten-free snack mix of cheddar tortilla chips, pretzel twists, and cheese curls. And this is only 80 calories. It's a little bag of snacks there. The next thing in here is Apple Ways Veggie Simple Wholesome Crispy Crackers. It said it is baked and nut-free. And this is 110 calories. That sounds pretty good. Little crackers. The next thing in here is home cooked salted Virginia peanuts from Hubbard Peanut Company, Hub's single serving power pack. And this one is 160 calories for this. And we got 2 more things. This one says 100 calories, proudly made in America, Farmer's Pantry cornbread crisps, original, 10 grams of whole grains. They also have it in jalapeno and honey butter. So that's this one. And the last thing in here is by Boulder Canyon. This is classic sea salt kettle style potato chips. And this is 160 calories per bag. So that is what is in this deluxe box. Oh, sorry. I was reading over here because it says every box delivered donates meals to Feed America. And it's got all those worm things in it. So that was all the snacks that was in this box. So, yeah. So that was this subscription for Love of Food. Love with Food box, the deluxe version. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll be talking to you guys very soon with another upcoming video. So take care, God bless, and have a great day. Bye.